Hello, today we're going to be introducing the Eson 2 nasal mask. The Eson 2 nasal mask has a very simple design. It has your standard clips on the side that hook onto the front of the mask. It has this little diffuser in the front, which is to prevent the draft to hit your bed partner. So it diffuses it, and it doesn't. You can't feel that wind coming out. The cushion has a lot of suspension, if you notice. So it makes it very soft on the bridge of the nose, and it's very comfortable. As far as the headgear is a stretchy headgear made to put on so you don't have to take the clips off. Now you do gotta remember, when you are putting on the mask, if you do have to take off the clips, take off the clips. Do not Velcro and unvelcro. The more that you Velcro and unvelcro, it'll pull out the little fibers off the headgear, and it won't stick well. So you want to make sure to always hook and unhook. Only use the Velcro when you're going to adjust the mask. The Eson 2 nasal mask has fizzy blue coloring on the plastics. So when you're taking it apart to wash it and you go to put it back together, it's very simple how to put it back together by just matching the colors. For more information on the Eson 2 nasal mask, you can check out sleepplay.com. We have all the information on our site. Thank you.